Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to create an animation from our assembly here, along with an exploded view. So whenever you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So once your assembly's done, come on up to design, and we're going to go to animation. So we're going to kind of work our way from the top of our coin sorter down to the bottom parts here. So the first thing we're going to do is let's do the hopper here. So we're going to go to transform and click on the hopper, and we're just going to drag it out. Let's do a distance of, 4 I think is pretty good. Now let's lift up our large gear here, and I'm going to lift that up or pull that up a distance of 7 inches. And then now let's come over to our knob here, and we're going to lift that up a distance of, let's do 3. And then our crank here, same thing. Let's do that a distance of 2. Hit OK. And then our small gear, lift that up a distance of -1. Hit OK. And now let's do our lid. And we're going to move that up a distance of 6 inches. And now we can start taking out our sleeves. I'm going to just put those up a distance of 5. Whoops, wrong arrow. Click on the up arrow, and we're going to make that 5. Enter. 5. Enter. 5. Enter. And we're going to do that for all the sleeves, in case you haven't guessed. Now let's go ahead and take out our base here, and we're going to move that down, a distance of 1, -1. All right, so we have kind of this exploded view where everything's taken apart. Now, I always recommend staggering these so it you can see how one part is animated at a time. Okay, and it only takes a second, and it looks so much cooler when you hit play. And everything looks pretty good. There's only one thing I think I want to change. The only thing I think that would make this thing look a little cooler is if we move these kind of in a linear fashion. So I'm going to go to my knob here, and I'm going to right click here, and I'm just going to move this over like 1 inch, and do that for my crank as well too, and my small gear. And now I'm going to kind of move those over, and I'm also going to decrease the duration here. So they go a little faster. And if you want to be specific, you can actually, you know, edit the time exactly. So they're all the same pretty much, right? And I'm going to make the sleeves just all kind of come out at once, so saves time and simplifies it since they're all like the same part. So have some fun with it. Move these things around, make it look cool. Here's what I'm going to also recommend. If you can always um, run it in reverse, which is kind of cool because now you can see it come together one part at a time. All right, and when you're done, if you want to make a video, it'll publish a video for you, so you can put it into PowerPoints or submit it as an assignment or whatever. So once your animation's done, don't forget to save it. And now let's go make an exploded view on a drawing file. To do that, let's come up to our workspace and change it to drawing, not from design, but from animation. We're going to select sheet size A here, 11 by 8.5, and that looks good. Hit OK. And the first thing we're going to do now is bring in our exploded view here. So go ahead and click somewhere over here and make sure it's colored. The scale looks pretty good. We might be able to fit that in here. And let's select OK. Then let's come on over here, click on your title block, and let's delete that so we have a little more room. Now let's actually bring in our fully assembled coin sorter. So here we go. We can change the scale of that. I'm going to do it like 1 to 3. Okay, and I don't like the view of that. All right, so if you never like the view of this, you can, well, fool around with some of the different views over here, like home view. Like that one looks pretty good. Okay, but if you don't like it, what you can always do is hit cancel. Come back to your assembly here. Let's go to design. And so if you notice here, you click on your front view, it's kind of crooked, right? So we can fix that. We can kind of get a front view that you like, something like this. And then go to set current view as front. And now we're good. We can, and this is kind of a glitch, but you got to save it. And in order to do that, you got to click on this tab, click back on that tab, and then hit save. Okay, and it will work. And then come back to your drawing file, hit this little yellow dot because we made changes, this little yellow thing here, and then now we can bring in our front view here, right? So now it looks like the view that you may want. But in this case, I actually like the home view. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to give it some color, and I'm going to make it just a hair bigger and just kind of set it right down here. We can move it around later for our parts list, or maybe right here looks pretty good. Hit OK. Last thing is to come on up and let's give ourselves a parts list. Let's just click on that guy and just kind of click right in here, and it will automatically add all the balloons for you and do all that stuff. However, I recommend cleaning up your balloons and making them all kind of parallel to one another, all your lines. And I never gave my parts a material here. So what I'm going to do now is double click on that, and I'm going to uncheck material. All right, and I think these things are pretty good. Let's go ahead and close it now. And let's move it down here. And now we're going to kind of widen it and get it out of the way here. So it looks something like that. If you did give your parts a material, I recommend giving them a material of ABS plastics since people 3D print with that. In our case, we're going to actually be printing these with PLA, or polylactic acid. All right, so the last thing I'm going to do before we save this guy is, like I said, let's clean these balloons up, and it really makes a difference if we make them all parallel. So I'm going to spare you all the time here. Okay, but when you're done, I'm hoping you're going to have something that looks like this. All right, so once you have all your balloons here nice and parallel, everything's orderly and spread out and arranged nicely, go ahead and save it. That'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.